Let's get down. Day 22 of making a difference, paying off debt. Let's get to it. Starting off, we're looking at PPI, and unjobless claim. Naturally, when I see this, I'm like, okay, whatever my current bias is naturally just a continuation with some volume. So I'm going to be looking for my current structure to get in and just ride the move up. We're going to have a little market analyzation to see what's going on, and from there I'll let you guys know what's going to happen later. Alrighty, for right here, this is one of my gold setups I saw. I seen that it was in a higher time frame supply zone, so I got in where that one black candle is right at the bottom. Gave me one strong move, then an inverted doji, and I'm like, let me give it a chance, and then it blew past my stop loss. Here was a NASDAQ setup I saw on the 5-minute, since it created a double top. After entering my supply zone on the 1 hour, I waited like 30 minutes, and then before the New York session opened, and I'm like, maybe I should get out because it didn't break structure, and I should listen to my thesis, because once the New York session opened, it just stopped me out at break even and then a loss. Here was another gold setup that I saw. I see that it entered my demand zone after making a break of structure. So then I entered on the 1 minute because it's the 15-minute demand zone. And then I wanted price to break that high where that black line was. Price tapped it, then came right back down to my entry. So I'm like, all right, it's going to start selling because there was not enough volume for price to keep going up. So I broke even. This right here was my bread and butter. Mama ain't raised no quitter. So I said, let me try one more sell. One more entry for the sell on gold, because since it didn't break that little high, I'm like, okay, it's going to take out the lows. And you know what it did? It went to the 15-minute low and swept the liquidity. And I'm like, it could go possibly lower, but I already had 60 points. So I made most of my money back, but I'm still at a loss for the day. So I'm going to try again tomorrow. It's been a losing week, but it's part of the game. Let's go. So overall, a losing week, kind of a losing month, but I'm down to something. And then I'm break even on my personal. So what a day.